In the 1950s through the early 60s, American auto designers loved to incorporate aircraft-inspired styling cues. One of the most popular and iconic were the tail fins, with Cadillac having some of the biggest and most memorable. After many years on the road, you may notice your tail fin lenses are looking faded, dried out, or cracked. They also may not even be functioning anymore, which is not only a visual nuisance, but a safety concern. Hi, I'm Dennis from Original Parts Group, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1961 through 64 Cadillac tail fin lenses. These are sold individually or as a pair to suit your needs. Every lens is manufactured from injection molded acrylic and case hardened steel tooling just like the originals. This separated other GM vehicles as acrylic was a harder material than ABS plastic and remained looking cleaner and newer as years went by. In addition, we also pre-drill the mounting holes so your tail fin lenses will be ready to install upon arrival. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.
Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.